Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair. In today's video guys, we will explain how to find your map sensor. Okay, this one will be for any car pretty much guys. We'll demonstrate on a Hyundai, on a BMW and a Ford right here. We'll explain how to find the map sensor and where it's located, because that's a very common problem on cars nowadays. And the map sensor is a very important part of the computer and calculation of telling the car what it needs, air, fuel, all that stuff. So how you find them now? Okay, we'll start with that Hyundai first. Okay, you always have to look for the intake. Okay, this is your intake of the car. That's where the air will go in the engine. On the back side you have exhaust. Okay, so on one side you have intake, on one exhaust. It might be switched. Okay, your exhaust might be on the front, intake on the back, depending on the car and the model. Now you can see, okay, right here on the intake, okay, down there, this is your map sensor. Okay, this one right there, this is guys your map sensor. It's very small and usually it has only one bolt holding it. So if you come to this Ford right here and we remove the engine cover. Okay, let me show you. Can you notice the map sensor? Right here on the intake. On a turbo car like this one, you might have two map sensors. One on the bottom pipe for intercooler, one here. Really depends on the model again, but for a non-turbo car you have only one on the intake. So you can see only one bolt holding it again. So pretty simple. Now you get to the BMW and you're about to freak out because you don't see anything like that. Yep, that's why people will be a little bit scared to work on those things, but they're pretty easy, to be honest with you. Now if you look towards the back, okay, on the intake, this is where your map sensor is again, right there. You can see that's the map sensor. Again, it has only one bolt holding it there. On the BMW, in order to replace it, you have to disassemble quite a few things here to get to it. It takes only about 10 minutes, but still you have to do quite a bit of disassembly. So, quick video guys to show you how to find your map sensor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.